Alright, now let's do this. Yo, what's Jeffrey doing?
I'm just watching. Jesus, this is dark.
Yeah.
I'm taking my flashlight out. This is the end game. Oh my god!
What?
Oh my inventory's glitched. What the hell?
I'm gonna use my pistol flashlight.
I'm just gonna whip out a flash.
Okay.
Cole, you are holding a katana, a crossbow, and a light.
It goes a little glitch. Okay, so these are just more Lubins.
Bomba. Oh, it's
Yo,
a
I
teddy
got a
bear.
watch.
That's not concerning.
Look at the teddy bear. Oh.
Look what you fucking did. Also, that's a rabbit.
Jesus, but
Uh-huh.
Oh, dear.
oh, left or right? Let's go right.
Let's go right, yeah.
What?
This is
It's
interesting.
just the weight room. Oh my god.
You know, I gotta... Oh, fuck, I saved in here. Shit. Whatever.
Oh, okay. Well.
I mean, you could save in here, right? Unless I'm gonna make a third save.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
The
Oh
original
my.
one.
Okay.
Jesus.
And they
man.
tried copying it.
What is this? Hey, it's a cube. It's more the cube.
So, there's a lot of cubes here. Holy shit.
This cube is
Alternate
100%
dimensions,
important to the
God.
story. The holographic tree.
I thought you said the Holocaust. Dog. I'm gonna be honest with you.
But
But
don't
those
go
are-
ahead of each other because it might trigger cutscene that only one of us to see or something.
Rescued book.
I want to never.
Can we read that rescued book or?
Let me see. Check your inventory. Oh, there is... Oh, wait, there's a couple books here, I just realized.
There's another shotgun here, by the way.
Rescued. Eric
Oh my God, there's
Lane.
a lot of ammo.
That's the book the guy wrote. Wait.
As a lone survivor of the past... Oh, this is about the
Oh
guy.
my god, it is!
That's cool, actually.
Unfortunately, can't read it though. You can only look at the front.
That's really cool, though.
Yeah, has no one looked at the note?
Crosses burn
Your gun's
demons.
sticking.
Oh my god, we have a cross.
Okay, so we're gonna have to start using the cross. So I'm gonna hotkey my cross to like 9 or something stupid.
Nah, I don't think we're needed. Crosses are for wussies anyway.
I'm gonna make my cross 0.
Can I not use a pool cue as a weapon? That's kind of stupid.
That's what I just said. That's wrong.
Javer, you look quiet, right? No one cares.
Still,
I don't know. Okay, we can go through that.
Okay.
That was flashlight time. Oh, hello.
Ooh, this is from the first game. Do we want to put our arm there?
I guess.
We can put his arm there.
I don't know why our arm is like just okay.
Yeah, I don't know how it works.
Interesting. Is there
What's
anything
the
to the
lore
left?
behind?
No. It's
No.
Get ready to whip your cross out because I'm assuming that's what we need to use against these guys.
If a cross can stop it, so can a man. Alright.
What?
Got a point.
What was that? Is that just like...
Nah. I'm gonna use the cross.
Use the power of
Look at
Christ.
that!
It is.
Oh my god!
Oh,
Oh my
my.
god, it actually did!
Alright, well, pulling out my
You guys
cross.
don't wanna use
Power of
cross.
Christ compels
Wow,
you.
guys are okay.
Okay,
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels
It's
you.
not compelling him. Darn, why he's burning? I'll shoot it.
Yeah, okay, Cole. You can't get too close.
The power of Christ.
Oh my god, he cracked and everything, like, you know, in the movies.
Is no one noticing that's just lava?
Yeah, what's
You know, you should jump
Makes
in
me
it.
hurt. It doesn't hurt. Ah!
You
seven's
can't beat the game on a hungry stomach.
No, you definitely can. You
I just
definitely
wasting
can.
heads.
You definitely can.
Yeah, well, I'm better than that, so.
No, you're not. I'm crossing you right now. Why aren't you dying? Whoever breaks, I get a high five.
I would like to mention that from my screen, you guys are holding an axe. and
Yeah,
a-
cool. All right, welcome.
Break it. Break it. Break it.
I don't want
Break
to
it.
have to ignore it.
Wow, that was useful.
Break it. Oh! Ah!
Jeffrey.
Do you like jump down?
I think you meant to jump across. Grappling hook across, cool. Shoot the grappling hook across.
Wait, is he dead?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
You're not meant to jump in the lava. I don't know why he did.
Yeah.
Use the grappling hook
where's
and
the
throw it
grappling hook
across.
at?
It's the gun, so it's in fire case.
Oh yeah, you're right. Let me get the rope gun out. It's the first time I actually pulled it out.
You guys. Alright, shoot it
Alright.
across. No, shoot us.
Let's hope this works.
You might be too close to the ground.
Works for me. Good to know the rope gun's useful.
I would hope. Can we cut these guys down?
I love the fact we should probably wait for Jeffrey.
I'm waiting, but
Anyways, what do you want to call this guy?
What's the name we haven't used in a while?
Gerald.
True. Okay, for that thing.
I can jump that. God, I bounced. Why did I bounce?
You
Probably
jump on
because
us
you
now.
bounce off of Gerald. Oh, there's another one.
There's like another 6, by
And
the way.
another one. And another one. And
another
another
one.
one.
And another one.
And another one. I thought, yeah, it does recharge itself.
Yeah, there's no reason of us. Oh fuck. Power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. Look at the cross. Yeah, yeah.
Can use burn.
Oh, you can step on the lava. You're chilling.
No, I thought the boxes would burn, but they don't.
Yeah, we neither do you. So tight.
Ow.
Maybe the gold armor.
I
is like lava
genuinely
resistance for a
thought
little
that you
bit.
actually couldn't burn, but when you stood
Maybe
on
the
it
gold
for like a
armor
little bit,
is
it actually does burn you.
Yeah, I think the gold armor maybe prevents us from burning.
I just gaslit Cole, man.
You know, we were trained for this when we were.
I don't think we are trained to fight demons with crosses.
Yeah, I'm
I was talking about locking on the rocks, like.
The power of Christ compels you. The power of Christ compels you. Yeah, that's right. You better run up.
Okay. I was about to say they can swim in lava.
I don't know. I don't get an achievement for killing this guy.
I feel like this would be an achievement.
Yeah, kill an enemy with a cross.
Ow! What the? Oh my god! Ah! Take that, monster.
The holy cross. The holy cross. I find it really funny. One of the best weapons right now is a cross. Use the power of Christ, Javer. Come on.
Hey, everyone know what else works?
Yeah, but I don't want to waste my gun and there's like a final boss.
To be fair, that's true. But like, guns are pretty effective.
So is the cross.
That also
Yeah,
I
is
feel like
fun.
I'm a Christian
Guns are
now,
fun.
but yeah.
Also, guns do friendly fire. Crosses don't.
Well, I mean, Jeffrey is a demon, so
The hell is?
it's a very big cave. Imagine we find a giant cube made out of gold. Wait a minute. Oh, okay.
Are we
This
going
is
through?
definitely important.
It's a cutscene. Cole disappears.
Who's this?
Who's that? Hello there, good sir.
Mute
Is that
yourself!
a timer? Oh yeah. What? Wait, is there a choice? Oh, there's a choice. Wait, where's Javer? Jeffrey, where's Javer? Where's
I'm walking up right now with the man. What do you mean? Where am I?
Wait, what is?
We have a choice.
Don't see me?
We have a choice.
All right, well, let's think about this. Also, did
Also,
Virginia
I do not
just
see you, Javer. Oh, there you are.
flatline?
What's
Don't
our-
grab our stuff. Don't grab our stuff. I guarantee that means we're not leaving. So now we gotta think.
I
Do
think
we want to
should
leave?
I think we should leave. He fucking got in the helicopter blade.
Did you get an achievement for that, Jeffrey?
Nope.
Alright, well, I think we should go.
What if we go and get our stuff though? Is that
Wait,
really
That's no. So this is our choice. That is probably go back to island. This is leave. And
I think we should
can build
leave.
the achievement, so
See you guys.
What if I don't want to leave?
Achievement fought demons.
why don't they talk? Why? Also, so Virginia died. Like what?
Hey, Kelvin.
Kelvin!
Oh no, fine.
Yeah!
Kelvin's amazing. We should have looked at this helicopter if it's puffing or sitting there.
Kelvin.
Kelvin!
Also, why didn't the outfit keep on? Like, do you guys see the camo jacket?
We did it, baby!
Oh yeah, this music's dope.
We did it. We fought demons.